Welcome back to our channel Safus Creation. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel and supporting us by hitting that like button. I made this cute trinket tray and the ring holder using homemade paper mache clay, which I'll be making in this video. Watch this video till the end and enjoy. First we are going to need waste paper and cut it into tiny pieces. Cut the paper as much as needed. After you cut the paper, soak it in water overnight. Now transfer it into the mixer. Grind it into a soft pulp. If the paper is not grinding, just add more water. So this is the consistency you should be getting after grinding it. Now using a towel, drain the water from our paper pulp. After draining the water, remove it from the towel and break it up into small pieces. Now add 200 ml of white glue. Vinegar is the next ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar is used as a preservative for the clay. Now start mixing it. Use your hands while mixing it. If you feel it is too rough or hard, add more glue. Keep mixing. Now add talcum powder and start mixing it again. You can also use POP or corn flour instead of talcum powder. Add more talcum powder if you feel the clay is sticking to your hand. And keep adding glue until you get the right consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of baby oil and start mixing it again. Your paper mache clay must be ready by now. Now let's make a cute trinket tray using the paper mache clay we made right now. So I filmed a bowl and I will be using this as a mold. I'm cutting the edges to make it look neater with a craft knife. And then shaping it with little water in my hand. After shaping it, add talcum powder and then wait for it to dry. It almost took 48 hours to dry and it is very hard and lightweight. Drying depends on the size of the product you make. I also made a ring holder. We are going to need sandpaper to soften the edges of the items we make. Now start sanding your items onto the sandpaper. Now the sides are smooth and safe. I'm going to use white and pastel blue color paint to paint my items. First I gave it a coating of white paint. Then I painted it pastel blue. Now I am going to use pearl metallic bronze color to paint the rest of the tray. And voila, it's ready! If you like this kind of content, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. I'll leave the links of my IG handles in the description box below.